In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can fix suspended shop on Etsy. As you can see, this account is currently suspended for no reason. I tried to contact the Etsy but didn't reply back. Okay, now what you guys need is you need to wait, like after your account got suspended, you need to wait at least like a few hours before contacting Etsy support. Okay, now as you can see, it says here your account is currently suspended. Okay, now what you guys need is you need to go to your Etsy and just need to click on Etsy in the top left, and then you want to scroll down, guys. Make sure you log in into your Etsy shop, Etsy account. By the way, you just need to log in and then scroll down and click on Help Center. And after, guys, you click on Help Center here, what you guys need to do next, you need to scroll down and click on Selling with Etsy, because your account got suspended because you are a seller. So you want to click on Selling with Etsy and scroll down and click on Contact Etsy Support. After, guys, you click on Support, Contact Etsy Support, you want to click on Selling on Etsy and scroll down a little bit and click on My account is suspended. Now you want to give the reason, guys, why your account got suspended. As you can see here, it says if your account is suspended, in most cases you will receive an email from Etsy. Be sure to check your spam folder. This email will explain what happened and how to resolve the issue. If you are a seller, you may see a banner on your shop manager dashboard, which I showed you guys at the beginning. And you want to click on Fail and Appeal, and then it says here, my shop was put on pause. How can I start selling again? I can't sign in into my account. I think my account might have been hacked. My account was suspended due to the overdue balance. What should I do? My account was as you can see, just need to select here the reason. Okay, so if you select here the reason and they don't, guys, allow you guys to contact the seller, the support, because you selected my account got suspended, what you need, guys, you want to select another reason. For example, my listing was removed by Etsy. What should I do now? Click on Reach Out to Etsy Support, and here you want to select here the subject and then the description and the listing. You don't need to add here anything. Okay, for example, Etsy removed it because of a policy violation, and you want to enter here, my account got suspended, please, I need help, and they are going to redirect you guys to another agent who are going to help you. Okay, but if you are able to see this message on your Etsy like this, just click on Contact Etsy Support, as you can see here, and then it will take you guys directly to Etsy Support. So if this video, guys, helped you, please drop a like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys in the next video.